have heirs are to continue to employ Ashton the caretaker. And he must always be permitted to have the company of his cat.
That's right.
All right, sir. And now will you tell me just why you wanted all this business attended to at this ungodly hour? Couldn't you have waited until the morning?
I may not be alive in the morning.
Are you sure that he called you from the Laxter home?
Yes. He said he was using the extension in Ashton's bedroom.
I've just come from Ashton's bedroom, Wilma. Ashton has been murdered.
I warn you for the last time. If that cat bothers me again, I'll kill it. I swear I will.
There was a rubber tube connected to his exhaust that led directly to the furnace.
She said she had something important to tell me. When I got to her place, I found her dead on the floor.
I can't talk very well here. I have some customers. But something terrible has happened. Can you please come over?
Mason, you know where Douglas Keene is. And if you don't turn him over by noon, I'll have you disbarred.